Breaking news out of Melbourne, where three families have escaped after a home went up in flames. Tegan Doling is at Wanturna South for us. Tegan, this sparked a huge emergency response.
Yeah, this is just such a devastating fire from overnight. It tore through at around 11 o'clock. There was actually a resident who was inside this house here behind my shoulder. They were in the shower when they started to hear the smoke alarms go off. They have grabbed their family, raced outside, and sadly, they've watched their house burn to the ground. Now, even though firefighters got here incredibly quickly, more than 50 CFA firefighters were here trying to battle this huge blaze. It did unfortunately spread to the two houses either side. Now, the other home, the big two-storey house to the left, or the house that was on fire, that has also been destroyed because the entire side of the house has been damaged by the fire, and inside is now smoke and waterlogged. That too, a young family who are now left homeless. The third house that has got some damage to the minor side and to the side of the house, and they have now been told they need to stay elsewhere this morning and overnight. The cause of the blaze is obviously still under investigation. Fire investigators will be down here this morning. It seems as though one of the residents believe it may have been an electric chair that was downstairs, but that will all form part of the investigation. But yeah, just absolutely devastating. Two families now homeless because of this fire.